Hey guys, it's Jen. Today I'm going to share with you what I got in my Grove Collaborative box for this month, April. I did not get a whole lot of things this month just because I was already stocked up from the previous few months, and actually I skipped March because I just really didn't need anything at the time. But they had some good deals, and so I'm going to quick share with you what I got. If you're not familiar with Grove Collaborative, it's an online store that kind of works like a subscription service, but you can definitely customize and change what you get each month. They carry a lot of different products for your home. They carry cleaning products, personal care products, products for your kitchen, just all kinds of stuff. And the prices are very comparable to what you would see at Target and Walmart, and they also have exclusive items that you can't get in the store. So the first thing I picked up was a couple of their kitchen towels. I really like these. I have several in different colors. This cornflower blue was a new color for this month, and I have been slowly trying to replace my kitchen towels just because, you know, when I got married over 10 years ago, those towels aren't new anymore. So as you can see, this is a really large size towel, and it's very thick. These wash well. And I just like the way that the striped with the color looks in my kitchen. So I got one of those in the blue, and then I got one in the heirloom red. I also picked up a couple more of these sponges, which I really like. They're the walnut and cellulose scrubber sponge. It comes with, you know, just a regular sponge side and then a scrubber. To be honest, I like the way that these look better than like the green and yellow ones, you know, that you get in the store to scrub your dishes with. So, but yeah, I always keep those in my sink for washing dishes. I also picked up some of the new Mrs. Meyer's scents. These are exclusive and limited edition. So I did get two of the Lilac scent, one in the dish soap and the other in the multi-surface cleaner. I smelled this and it smells exactly like lilacs, so that's a good spring scent. And the other scent that I picked up was the Peony. I actually like this one a lot better. It smells really good. It kind of reminds me of like the Plumeria scent, if you remember that from Bath & Body Works. So I got one of the multi-surface cleaner again, and then one of the hand soap. This is my all-time favorite, probably my favorite product from Grove, definitely my favorite scent. This is the Caldrea countertop spray, and this was perfect timing because I just actually ran out of one of these, but it's the Tangelo Palm Frond. It smells so, so good. It's one of those scents that just makes you want to clean because it smells so good. So picked up a replacement of that. I use that on my kitchen counters. And then I also got this Method Daily Shower Cleaner. This is one where you just spray it on your shower after you're done using it, and it's the Ylang Ylang scent. I had a previous one that was like a mint scent, and I didn't really, I don't know, I just didn't like that one very much, but this one smells a lot better. And then the last thing I got, I'll show you so your packing slip. I do like that they include a packing slip with your order, because then I can kind of go through, check off, make sure everything's in the box and that I'm not missing anything. And if you are missing an item, they will note it over here, and then they'll send that in a, you know, subsequent box as soon as it comes available if they're out of stock. Okay, the last thing I got, and this was a freebie because I had added so much to my box that I got a free item. So this is a canvas tote bag, and you can see it says Grove Collaborative at the top, and it has this pretty kind of floral and fruit design on the bottom. But this is a nice heavy canvas bag. I've actually been using this to take stuff back and forth to work. Usually I'll put like my lunches and snacks in there, and if I have any books or, you know, papers that I need to bring back and forth. But it's worked really well for that. It's kind of the perfect size to, you know, carry stuff like that back and forth. And in here inside is a little pocket that you could put like a water bottle or your phone or something like that. I've also used these as, you know, reusable grocery bags and things like that. So yeah, that is all the stuff that I picked up this month. I believe it was around, I don't remember the exact price. I think it was around $30 or $40. But if you're interested in checking it out, I will have a link to the Grove store in the description box below. And if you're a new customer, I believe it's $10 that you get off if you use my link. So, you know, there's really no risk. Just try it out. You can cancel anytime. And like I said, you can add different things to your box every month. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.